In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a hyperlink in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. Whether you want to link to another website, a specific page on your site, a phone number, or even a downloadable file, this tutorial will walk you through everything in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Hyperlinks are essential for improving navigation, boosting conversions, and making your website more professional. So if that sounds good, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to GoDaddy.com, and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then access your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account, you'll see your main dashboard where all your services are listed. Next, go ahead and click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently own with GoDaddy, including domains and websites. Scroll until you find your website builder product. When you locate your website, click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor where you can make changes to your site in real time. Now that you're inside the editor, navigate to the page where you want to add the hyperlink. Click directly on the text area that contains the words you want to turn into a link. When you click on the text, a text editing toolbar will appear. This toolbar gives you formatting options like bold, italic, alignment, and most importantly, the link option. After the toolbar appears, highlight the specific word or phrase you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, if you want to link the words "Contact us" or "Learn more," simply drag your cursor over those words to select them. Make sure only the exact text you want clickable is highlighted. Once the text is selected, click on the link icon in the toolbar. The link icon looks like a small chain link symbol. When you click it, a link settings window will open. This is where you choose what type of link you want to create. GoDaddy Website Builder gives you several linking options. You can link to an external website by entering a full URL. You can link to another page on your own site, which is great for navigation. You can link to a specific section on the same page, which is useful for long scrolling pages. You can also create a clickable phone number so mobile users can call you instantly. There's even an option to link to an email address so visitors can send you a message with one click. And if you have a file, like a PDF or brochure, you can link to a file download as well. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you're linking to an external website, paste the full URL, including HTTPS at the beginning. If you're linking to one of your own pages, simply select it from the drop-down menu. After entering or selecting your link, click Apply or Done to confirm. You should now see that your highlighted text is formatted as a clickable link. It may appear underlined or in a different color depending on your site's design settings. To double-check, you can use the preview option to test the link and make sure it goes to the correct destination. The final and very important step is to publish your site. Adding the link inside the editor does not automatically make it live. To make your hyperlink visible to visitors, click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Wait a few seconds for the update to complete. Once published, your hyperlink is officially live and ready for visitors to use. And that's it. That's exactly how to add a hyperlink in GoDaddy Website Builder quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future website building tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.